Welcome to another XML Web Commerce option demo. Today we're going to be talking about content management software. Content management software allows your staff to edit informational pages on your website without having to have any programming skills of any kind. If they can use word processing, they can use this product. And so this would be a great way to not have to hire additional IT staff or anyone specialized in programming in the sense of just daily changes to your website, such as news and information about education or specials or anything like that. Changing links and such can all be done with the content management software. So let's go into an example of this on our sample site called the silvereclipse.net website. Is a sample site we created where you can see a lot of our tools. This is a page that shows you our website administration for all our websites. These are all these different links that allow you to do online editing of the site without any programming background. Today we're going to focus on web page management. And web page management shows all the web pages in your website and allows you to edit the ones that are editable. And you'll see a little edit symbol next to the pages that you can edit using content management software. If you do not have the content management software option, there will not be these symbols here showing edit. You'll have to edit them with an HTML editing tool. So let's take a look at the About Us page for this particular website here, the About Us page here, and pick the edit symbol here. Up comes the About Us page, and then you see up here all the functionality of content management software for adding pictures, cutting, removing, changing fonts, adding links, all kinds of different options you can do. And you can come and look at this yourself by going to the silvereclipse.net site, and you'll see at the bottom of the home page how you get into the admin tools. So if we want to change something on the site, say we don't want this to be red anymore, we want it to be black, we can go in here and pick black for that. And then we can go in here and say we want to change a link. We want to go to something like Fairbank Equipment, which is one of our links, and change it to something else. We would pick this. We would go in here and we'd add the extra information we want, and then say we want to add information relative to making this go to a new equipment page. We'd add that here by hitting paste, hit update, and then this link now will bring us to a new page than what it did before. And we can do that for all our links throughout the whole thing and any other things we're looking for. So once we've done that, we go down below here and we hit save. And once you've hit save, you can then view that web page to see how it looks. And we can see it's no longer red here. And we can see that down here, when we pick this link, up comes Fairbank Equipment in the new equipment page we just selected it to do. So now instead of going to the home page, it's going to the new equipment page. So you can make all these changes easily and quickly. Once we've done that, we can go back to the web page management, change any other kind of pages we want to change, or go back to website administration. We can also use the content management software to update include files. So whenever, for example, whenever you have an invoice that goes out, you may want a set of notes that goes with them. So these are what we call include files. For example, we appreciate your business, call our credit department and such. And your payment terms could all be right here, and this will be added to every invoice. So you can come in here using the content management software and edit this text, add links, add additional terms and such, and then once you save it, that will now go and be attached to your invoices from here on out. You can also manage, bring the files that you're going to need to update the website by going to File Upload, and you can bring in pictures and images and such by browsing and grabbing them and bringing them up to the website so that you can then use them and implement them using the content management software. So that was an example of our content management software product. Feel free to call us for additional information or to get a private demo on how this would work for you. Thanks.